I looked at myself in the mirror. It was my 40th birthday, and I was ashamed at what I saw. I'd been completely neglecting my body. Yet, like most Americans, I was working out 2 hours a week on average. None of it seemed to work. I'd been on diet after diet, and I accepted it. I was a CEO, a father of 2. Perhaps it was okay to have a dad bod. And then I met Lorenzo. Lorenzo was the chief of transformation at our company, but I also noticed that he had a remarkable physique. And shortly after my 40th birthday, I asked him, Lorenzo, what are you doing differently in the gym? Can you teach me? Because I would love to someday have a body like yours. Now I assumed that Lorenzo worked out 4 to 5 hours a week in the gym. His answer shocked me. Lorenzo said, I only work out 30 minutes a week. I didn't believe him. And then he showed me this photo. He launched himself into a 3-year experiment. And all of this in 30 minutes a week. As we did the experiment, I shared my results. This is my before, this is my after. I actually was spending less time in the gym. Let me repeat that, less time in the gym. What's the secret? It's actually a series of scientific discoveries, all stacked together to create what is called the 10X program. Now, as we developed 10X, I brought in Ronan Oliveira, the head of fitness at Mindvalley, to become the host of this program.
My name is Ronan Oliveira. I'm from Brazil, and I'm one of the creators of 10X Fitness.
Ronan and Lorenzo combined have fine-tuned the exact movement, the exact breathing, the exact set of exercise to such a degree where your time in the gym is so hyper-optimized that for every minute you now spend in the gym, you're getting 10x the results.
I was the short and the skinniest kid at school. I was always failing at sports, and I knew I needed to do something to change that.
Now I know what you're thinking. Are you going to end up with arms like Ronan? Actually, it depends on just how far you want to go. If you're a woman, 10x is one of the most powerful things you can do for yourself. In fact, our studies have also found that in terms of strength gain, in 30 days, people under 30 see an average 26% strength gain. People between 30 to 50, such as myself, see a strength gain as much as 50%. You can shift your body to build muscle. This is why the older you get, the bigger the strength gain. So after years of studies, hundreds of trial participants, 10X is finally ready for the world. In 30 minutes a week, whether you're a male or a female, no matter how old you are, you can radically transform your body. So if you'd like to explore 10X with us and have Lorenzo and Ronan take you through this protocol, you will learn one of the 6 most important 10X exercises, and you'll be able to start immediately in the gym. Enroll in our upcoming masterclass completely free on Mindvalley.